Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the border lights not working with Siri on your iPhone after the new update. If you activate Siri and don't see the border lights flashing, follow these steps to fix it. First of all, let me clear that this feature is only available on iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max, future iPhones with iOS 18. If you have an older iPhone, this feature won't work. First of all, you have to open the settings, then tap on general, then click on software update. If you have not updated yet, install iOS 18. If you see a waitlist tab to join, once notified, go back and turn it on. Then if it's already on but not working, Apple Intelligence and Siri, then turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on like I'm doing here. You have to search for Apple Intelligence, and tap onto it. And then turn Hey Siri or Hey Siri on. And then the step 4 is you have to change your language to English United States, which is basically here. Click on general, then scroll down and tap on language and region. Here's the option and tap onto it, and you have to choose your region to United States English. That's it. Try Siri again. If it works, switch back to your region. And then you also have to free up storage. If you don't have enough space, go to general, then tap onto iCloud storage, iPhone storage, and from there you can see that how much storage has been used, and you can delete storage from here, and that's it. And at the last, you can force restart your iPhone. To do it, quickly press and release the volume up and down button, then quickly press the side button until the screen is completely black, and then restart your iPhone. That's it. This won't delete any data, it just reload the system software. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.